Welcome to another weekly market update. Here's where we look at the overall direction of the stock market because that affects everything. Everything from the economy, your mortgage. It's just a bellwether. You need to have your retirement. You just need to have a grip on where things are at so you avoid another blind side like you were in 2008. So here we are. This is a multi-year chart from 2 years ago here, and at the bottom, and then you can see the price along the side here. This is the S&P 500, kind of like a benchmark for planet Earth. And these vertical little lines up and down here is that's 1 week at a time of up and down price action. And what kind of smooths that out for us is these moving averages here. We see like the 40-week line and the 10-week line, kind of just give a more easier to read representation. So where we're at right now, this is a bull market that began when my system said to get in about coming on actually a year ago now, and it's been amazing. There's been not even a single healthy correction since. So my system told you to get in then. It's not telling you to get out yet. There is, it's another week, another all-time high. There's no, as I've been saying for months now, there's no indication this sort of runaway train is going to be, coming off the rails anytime soon. It's all healthy action. There's just money pouring into the stock market, and that's what I've been saying for the last year. It's been, that's all I can say. I've just been saying the same thing over and over again. Just to keep you updated on the numbers, we've got 2,888 is at 2,587 now. If it gets to 2,838, that would be the equivalent of 1987 when things got that stretch. So it's not really at that, those stratospheric levels just yet. So to cut a long story short, the overall picture, the long-term picture for the stock market is up. This is a bull market, 100%. And now let's look at the shorter-term picture over the 6 months. The same thing, we're zooming in a bit here, and each of these little vertical bars is 1 day of action now. So as I've zoomed in, and here we see the picture. I said 5 days ago it's going up, and it's went up, and it's one new high after another. Just another week, another new high. I don't see any signs yet this thing, even for the short term, that this is going to turn around. I mean, anything happen between now and then, but all I can do is look at the chart right now, and I don't see any danger signs. The only thing you'd point to maybe is like volumes, tapering off a little bit there, but it got so high in the first place anyway. So no indication yet. We are now traditionally heading into, the stock market shirked off what is usually the most volatile months of the year, when if there is going to be any kind of correction or crash, it's going to happen in July and August, first place and second place in October. It dodged those bullets, and now it's headed into what is traditionally, the bullish 2 months of the year. So heaven knows what it's going to do in light of that, November and December. But that's no guarantee. Seasonal. These are just a guide. But it's historically, November, December, they send the stock market high, and that's where it's at right now. Is it gonna? I mean, a healthy correction, by the way, looks like something like it comes down to like close to the moving average. It hasn't been anywhere near that. Closest thing we got was in August, and it looked like it was going to go kind of head faked us a bit and broke its trend line. Even they just carried on going. So that's big picture is up, and short term picture is up. I will speak to you next time.